welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as you know from the title that today I am going to talk about Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal, and this is my second or third box. I will show you. So this is the kajal I've been using from past 1 year. One of my friend Mansi recommended me this kajal and I got my hands on it. So this whole video is going to be like इसकी हालत देखो. If you can see, literally मैंने इसको बहुत ख़राब कर दिया है. So I'm going to be talking about this kajal. So without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. First of all, I would like to mention, look at their packaging. I mean, like, can we give them 10 on 10 for just the unique style of the packaging? Everything is mentioned on the box. It is mentioned on the box that it is 100% vegan. It is mentioned that it is dermatologically tested and approved. And I mean, I just love this triangular packaging. मैंने किसी और काजल की आज तक ऐसी packaging देखी नहीं है, so yay on the packaging. Coming to the kajal, now the kajal retails for rupees I guess 500, and you can get it from Amazon, Nykaa, Plum's own website or any other website. The kajal is the most smudge-free kajal I have used in my life. It lasts 4 times longer than the regular kajal. Also, it is free from harmful chemical and preservative, which is a yay. Also, it's 100% vegan. Now, the best part is this cute sharpener. Sometimes the normal kajals do get break, but in this kajal, you can use the sharpener. I have ordered a green kajal and a black one. It also comes in a brown color, I guess. Yes, in the brown shade as well. Talking about the intensity and the multiple strokes, guys, you can go for multiple strokes if you want intense black smoky eye, but according to me the one single stroke of this kajal is enough. The one point which I cannot forget to mention is that the kajal is actually waterproof. You can see me struggling trying to remove this kajal, but it is absolutely same. When it comes to makeup, you guys know that I'm a newbie. I really don't know anything about makeup, and I am not a makeup person, but I still tried my hands on trying 2-3 looks for this video, and I hope you like some of them. Like, they are very simple and basic. So here I am trying to create a thick liner look, and I don't know why, because of monsoon my skin is very greasy, and this is my old kajal, so please bear with me. And yeah, I am doing nothing fancy. I'm just following the upper line of my eye, and I'm just creating a thick bold line, and yeah, that's how I created this look. This is very simple. Okay, so this was an experiment, and if you don't like it, please do not come after me. It was pure an experiment. I was just trying to create a thick pointy edge towards the corner of my eyes, and it looked really nice to me, at least. Yeah, it was looking very, fashionable. Okay, so this one is a little old school. I am using this kajal on my waterline, and I'm doing the same with my upper eyelid to create a little, thick lashes effect, if you understand what I'm saying. And yeah, that's it for this one. This one is a pretty simple one. Okay, so for the last look, I did nothing fancy. For the previous eye look, I'm just adding an eyeliner, and yeah, it creates an illusion to my eyes that my eyes are really big, but they are not. So yeah, this is what I did, and I liked how smoky my eyes look. Yeah, so that's it for the looks, guys. today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you find it helpful, enjoyable, useful. Also, I have a bonus video for you guys which will be coming in 2 or 3 days, so stay tuned for that. Otherwise, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. I'll see you next week, and yeah, bye.